Hi everyone, trust you all are doing well. Today I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step guide on how to download Temu. Temu is a shopping platform where you can literally find anything you're looking for, ranging from home decor, wall light, wall mirror, kitchen equipment, the cooking pot, cups, everything you want is on Temu. Clothings, footwears, TV, mobile phones, hoovers, which is the vacuum cleaners, everything literally is there on Temu. Now, how do I download this app? I'm just going to show you two ways to download this app. The first way is going through your Play Store. Now, I'm going to go through our Play Store. This is my Play Store. And I'm going to go to the search bar and I'm going to type Temu. Once you type Temu, you see it's going to come up. Now, just be very watchful. We are looking for Temu. So you click on Temu because this is the one we want to install. Now it's installing. You give it some time to install. Now it's ready. So what I have to do is click open. I'm going to reject. Click open. So when you click open, this is the first page that comes up when you open the app. On here, it has different categories. It has different sections. You can see home, the categories of product. Then you can see the sign in and your cart. You here is you see your orders, your messages, because sometimes they send out some marketing messages, your coupon and offers, your credit balance. If they gave you some kind of credit balance, sometimes they offer some credit, assuming your order arrives late, they tend to give you some credit. So this is where you can see your credit balance. You can use the credit to shop. So this is your orders. So this is what is under you. It's best to use the sign in to shop so that you can see the progress of your order or track your order. If you want to make a return, if you want to make any complaint, from here you can go from your order, then it can take you to where you can do all that. So now we're gonna go back to home page. Now this is the home page. This is the home page. Everything you're looking for, this is your traveling boxes. Everything here, this is a sofa. So now, assuming you want to search for something, this will say you want to look for a wristwatch. If you do not want to go through categories, if you go through categories, you will see the section for women wristwatch or anything. But if you do not want to go through that, you can easily go on to tap on the search bar, this is what I always do. I go to the search bar and type for what I'm looking for. I am looking for wristwatch at this point in time. Wristwatch. So it now brings up everything about wristwatch. So the first one says wristwatch for women, for men, wristband, everything that has to do with wrist. It's gonna bring it up. It is now up to you to say, okay, this is what I'm looking for. If you're looking for a wristwatch for men, you can easily type for men. If you're looking for women, you can easily tap on. I'm gonna tap on for women and see. Let's see what comes up. Now, everything about women wristwatch is gonna come up. Every shape, every design is gonna come up. You can see the one with the chain wrist. You can see the one with the with the rubber wrist, smart ones here. So everything that has to do with women wristwatches is gonna come up. Even with sets, it come with bracelets and everything. So they have varieties. Let's see home decor. Home decor. So you say home decor items. Let's click on there and see what comes up. Now, you can see home decor is coming up here. Everything about home decor is gonna come out. It has everything, so you can now make your choice and choose what you want. If you look up there, you can see a camera icon. The icon is, assuming you saw something, you don't know what that is called, because you have to know what something is called before you can search for it. If you do not know what it's called, you can easily, take a picture of it using that camera icon up there, and it's going to search on Temu app using the image that what it's made for. The second way to install Temu is going through your browser. You can go through your Google, your Firefox, depending on the one you have on your phone. You can go through Google Chrome, Firefox, Microsoft Edge, anyone. So now we're just gonna go through our browser, which is we're gonna use Google. Now, when you go to your browser, just go to your search and type Temu. So You can see the first one that says Temu.com official site. This is the one we are looking for. Just simply click on that. Here, it has the same thing if you want to go through the app. So once you go on the search bar of your browser, type Temu and everything is going to come up. Now, when you come onto the main page, have a look on the top of the main page. Here it says get the Temu app. Click on the get the Temu app. Now, when you click on that, it's going to show you two options depending on the gadget or device you are using. If you're using Apple or iPhone, you have to go through the App Store. If you're using Android, you go through the Google Play Store. Now, because this is Samsung, I have to go through Google Play Store. Now, it's taking me to where I can install Temu on the iPad. Now, I'm going to tap on the install button. It's installing. It's ready and it's already installed. Click open. I'm just going to tap on reject. Now, this is the home page of Temu. There's no difference. The same thing you see when you download it through Play Store is the same thing you're going to see when you download it through your browser. There's no difference at all. So now we'll go through the categories. We can see the categories. These are the categories. I mean, they have loads of categories. But you don't want to go through these categories. Simply type whatever it is you want to search for. Let's say we're going to search for mobile phones. I'm going to search for mobile phones. So you say mobile phones Android. I'm just going to click on mobile phones Android. Now you can see different type of phone is coming up on Android. You can see the Redmi. You can see the Samsung Galaxy. You can see Motorola, type of different brands, they're all coming up. And also you can see their reviews up there. How many stars? This one has over 1,000 reviews. This one has 63 reviews. This one has 12. So you can see the reviews. Then you can now make your choice. So whatever you're buying, you add, you go to your cart. You go to your basket. And when you're ready to check out, you check out. Okay, guys, I've shown you now 2 ways you can install Temu on your iPad, which is going through your Play Store for Android users or going through your App Store for iPhone users. Then you can also go through your browser, which is your Google, your Chrome, your Microsoft Edge, and it can also go to also give you the prompt to go through if you're using App Store or Play Store. So whichever one you're using, you click on it. It's going to direct you straight to where you can install Temu. And we go on Temu, you will see the different categories, and you can search for whatever it is you're searching for, and place your order if you wish to. Okay, guys, just thought to show you this. I hope this answers your question. All right, guys, I will see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.